Have you had a problem when you're trying to install an app on your TCL Google TV, but it just keeps saying can't install app or get stuck on pending? Here's a quick fix. First, restart your TCL Google TV. It sounds pretty simple, but this is one of the most common fixes for app installation issues. If that doesn't work, clear the Google Play Store cache. Go to settings, apps, see all apps, find Google Play Store, and then select clear cache and clear data. After that, restart your TV and try downloading the app again. Next, check your available storage. If your TV is running low on space, new apps may fail to install. Delete unused apps or files and try again. You should also make sure your TV is connected to the internet and check for any available system updates. Outdated software can sometimes prevent app downloads. And if you're trying to install a specific app but can't find it in the Play Store, the app may not be available for your TV model, region, or Google TV version. If none of these fixes, your last option is a factory reset. Most user won't need it, but it can solve deeper software issues. Or just get a streaming device. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.